How to use contributors basics in Squarespace. So in order to add a contributor on your Squarespace, you first need to head over here to your settings or gear icon in this case. From in there, you can see all of this. Click on this left sidebar until you find this permissions and ownership. Click on this right here and then click on this invite contributor. You can also add the basic author right here. For this case, let me head over and invite a contributor. This will prompt you to log in on your Squarespace account again in order to verify that it's you. Continue and log in to verify it. Once you have successfully logged in, you can just input right here the name of your contributor. For example, let's input right here their name and their email address. You can choose in here their actual role. You can give them administrator access, billing access, website editor access, and likes. Just choose right here their access right here for the basics. And for example, let me give them access for my website editor only. Proceed to click on this invite and then the invite will be sent and they can just approve or confirm or accept the invite. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.